This group of Benue sons and daughters of Nongov extraction, the immediate constituency of the state governor, have quite a couple of reasons to disagree with the Minister for Special Duties and Intergovernmental Affairs and a group of Ihiarev APC leaders.
Senator George Akume, followed by the Ihiarev APC leaders and their likes, aimed at diverting the attention from the killings, many of innocent victims and destruction of Benue communities and farmlands by the Fulani terrorists. We want to make it abundantly clear to the whole world that the Fulani militia have continued to launch unprovoked attacks leading to massive killings on Benue communities. This evil actually predates the administration of His Excellency Governor Samuel Ortom.
They want these APC leaders to rather use their political influence with the presidency for the overall interest of the state.
We as a people are calling on the APC leaders to, instead of resorting to baseless accusations on the governor, impress on the President Muhammadu Buhari to provide adequate security with a marching order to apprehend armed Fulani headsmen, and also support the implementation of the ranching laws of Benue and other states. They should also prevail on Mr. President to withdraw his kinsmen from our ancestral land and redeem the 10 billion naira pledge for the reconstruction, rehabilitation, and resettlement of IDPs in Benue State. We also call on the APC leaders to use their political marriage with the Fulani oligarchy to, as a matter of urgency, ensure the creation of North Central Development Agency to cater for the well-being of our distressed people and rebuild the Benue communities destroyed by the Fulani militia headsmen activities. Furthermore, we are calling on the President Muhammadu Buhari to proscribe Mieti Allah Katuhore and other violent Fulani socio-cultural groups and order the arrest of their leaders who are publicly accepted responsibility for the carnage in our land. We find it rather worrisome that despite being tagged as the fourth deadliest terrorist group in the world, the Ihiarev APC leaders have absorbed this dangerous group of the killings in Benue.
The Nongov stakeholders are equally demanding an unreserved apology to the governor for what they term as uncharitable and the negative campaign launched against his person.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.